Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Canva for template-based productivity design step-by-step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Canva website. If you already have an account, click on the login button located in the top right corner. Enter your email address and password to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, click on the sign up button. You can choose to sign up with your email, Google account, or Facebook account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the home page. Here, you will see various design options available for you. Look for the Templates section in the menu. Click on Templates to explore a wide range of pre-designed layouts. Use the search bar to find specific templates based on your needs. Select a template that catches your eye. After clicking on a template, you will be taken to the editing interface. Here, you can customize the template according to your requirements. Once you're satisfied with your design, look for the Share button. Click on the Share button, then select Download. Choose your preferred file format from the options available. After selecting the format, click the Download button to save your design. For accessing premium templates, consider subscribing to Canva Pro. To do this, click on the pricing link at the top of the page. Review the features available with the Pro subscription. Follow the prompts to enter your payment information. Once your payment is confirmed, you will have access to premium templates. Explore the enhanced features available with your subscription. Now you can create and customize designs with greater flexibility. Return to the home page to start working on your next project. Keep experimenting with different templates to boost your productivity. Enjoy creating beautiful designs with Canva. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.